Hello again, welcome to another Wood Floor Innovations video clip here in Ness on the Wirral, today in the northwest of the UK, doing this mahogany parquet floor. Started about half an hour ago, just got it roughed off on a 36 grit. Check back later on this one, see how it looks. This one's going to look fantastic. Bye. Hello again, welcome back. We're here in Ness on the Wirral today in Cheshire. Just finished this beautiful looking mahogany parquet floor. Said in the last video it looked tremendous, and doesn't it just? Looks absolutely phenomenal. There we go, customers are delighted. There we go, another clip done. See you on the next one.